Hello guys, if you are afraid of these €3 duty fee you must pay now on Temu for each product group, then I have nice information for you, because there's a very easy, legal and quick way so you can save money and continue shopping on Temu. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Then search for any product you want to buy. For example, I'm looking for a window cleaning robot. Tap on filters right here, scroll all the way down until you see ships from in the left sidebar. And here you can choose between products from Temu, which will be shipped from China directly, or you can use local warehouses. Temu started already longer time ago to create local warehouses in Europe, so the delivery time will be very fast, and the duty fee is already paid before by Temu itself, because Temu can pay this small duty fee on a big amount of products within the same product group. And what does it mean for us if we buy from local warehouses? It's going to be cheaper and faster delivery time. Thanks for watching.